99% of men spend their entire life playing video game, enjoying the grind in that game, having 10,000 hours of playtime, and obtaining the status the Dragon Slayer. But why do the 1% do the different thing? The high status man, the alpha male, the sigma male, whatever you wanna call it. Why don't they do the same thing? In this video, I'll be telling you the cheat code on how to make life feels like video game with self-improvement. First of all, my name is Klein, and I share my experience to help young men like you to be better. If you wanna join in this journey, then scroll down, click the subscribe button so you'll get more video like this. Why do the high value men have unrealistic progress in life? They've got good body, they're rich, they're charismatic, they have good social skill, they can articulate their thoughts so good that everyone around him will just listen. They just seem to get whatever they want in life. It's because they are grinding in real life. Instead of spending time grinding on video games, they use that time to actually progress in real life. Imagine this. You're at the customization section and you're going to customize your character. Now, let's say that you're an admin and you can pick whatever trait you want. Would you pick the common trait such as obese, poor, awkward, basically a beta male, and become a degenerate? Or would you pick the legendary trait such as muscular, rich, strong, good social skill, charismatic? Of course, all of us want to pick the legendary trait. Now, this is what makes video game and real life different, and how real life can actually give you more enjoyment than video game. In video games, you gain this legendary trait by doing gacha and gain them with the chance of 0.1%. That is your enjoyment. You get something that is rare. In real life, it's way more than that. You get to progress in it. You get to feel how fun the progress is. And if you want to have this legendary trait, you have to work hard for it. And that's what makes video game and real life different. So, instead of grinding in video games, use that time to grind on your real life character. You are basically spending the same time, and how you spend those hours will determine the value of you. Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Mwah.